Antivirus Reviews. Online is participant to the Amazon Services LLC Associates Program and Affiliate Advertising Program, which is designed to provide an aid for the websites and earning an advertisement fees by means of advertising and linking to Amazon products. This website is an antivirus buyer's guide and not considered as advice. The information, ratings, trends, and reviews expressed on the site are the sole discretion of Antivirus Reviews. Online, the website is strictly for research and informational purposes only. We do our best to keep all content up to date and accurate, but cannot guarantee it due to the constantly changing antivirus landscape. In order to keep this website free to consumers, we receive advertising revenue from some of the antivirus companies. Features: Kaspersky Total Security include antivirus and firewall to protect your devices from viruses, attacks, and malware. Your code will be delivered by email with detailed instructions for installing the product. The manufacturer does not produce any CD, DVD/flash drive for this product. Helps you protect your PC, Mac, and Android phones and tablets. Secure connection gives you privacy via virtual private network, VPN, technology, protects families against viruses, attacks, fraud, spyware, cybercrime, and more. Kaspersky Total Security leaves nothing to chance with additional protection for your kids, identity, and digital assets. The internet has the same dangers whether you're using a computer or a mobile device. Kaspersky Total Security, our best protection for your family and their devices, PC, Mac, Android, iPhone, and iPad. Kaspersky Total Security gives you a smarter way to protect your family's digital world on your PC, Mac, and mobile devices. Along with award-winning protection for your privacy, money, communications, and identity, it includes an easy-to-use password manager and extra security for your family's precious photos, music, and files. You also get powerful tools that do more to help you to keep your children safe, online and beyond.